What you doing? Hey, little guy.
You're posting us on YouTube.
Duh. My first bird. Hey, guy. What's up? Get out the picture.
No.
You see if you chase the laser. What? Hold on. Hey, little one. See if he chases the laser. The laser. Hold on. Where's the food? Where's the food? Stop freaking out. You're freaking him out. Stop it. Oh. Hey, little guy. Yes. Get out the light. Out the light. No, get out the light. Yes, that's it. That's it. Stop. Get out of here.
Your mother's calling you.
Bye.
Or Jeffy's calling you.
What?
Hey, little guy. You biting my finger? Bye, Jeff. My little guy. Hey, little guy. Say chirp for the audience. Hey, look. Look over here. Good little guy. Come on. Right here.
I used to have a little small one like this for a long time. And
Daddy, don't touch it.
I'm not touching it.
one day, that little bird just flew away. Alex was running all over the place behind him. Tiny, where are you, Tiny? Come back, Tiny.
Should I call him Tiny?
You're not gonna call him anything when you're getting rid of him.
I'm calling him Tiny.
You're not calling him nothing. You're not getting attached to
He's
him.
my cat. Cat? My bird.
You wanna go with Will? I'm gonna get some milk.
Yeah. I'm making a video, so. Bye, Tiny.